Good day, this is Höður. I'm in Stykkishólmur in Snæfellsnes Peninsula, and it's a little bit cold today. Temperature is 0 degrees and the wind is up to 7 meters per second.